Hello and welcome to class 10th, subject English, Footprints Without Feet, chapter 2nd, The Thief's Story by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was born in Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh in 1934. Ruskin Bond grew up in Jamnagar, Gujarat, Dehradun, New Delhi, and Shimla. His first novel, The Room on the Roof, which was written when he was 17, received the John Llewellyn Rhys Memorial Prize in 1957. Since then, he has written over 500 short stories, essays, and novellas, including Vagrants in the Valley and A Flight of Pigeons, and more than 40 books for children. He received the Sahitya Academy Award for English Writing in India in 1993, the Padma Shri in 1999, and the Delhi government's Lifetime Achievement Award in 212. Let's start the story, The Thief's Story, by line explanation and reading. First, in this chapter, students, two characters are there, and the whole story is based on the belief which we used to do on each other. Okay, from this story, you will also learn that each and every relation is just built on a belief or faith on anyone. Okay, so this you'll got to know in this chapter, and there are two characters. One is Anil, and the another is Hari. Hari is a thief. So, Hari is not the original name of that person. He has mentioned or introduced his wrong name with the wrong name, and that is Hari in this chapter, or to Anil. Okay, so let's start the chapter. I was still a thief when I met Anil. Here, students, I is Hari, okay, who is telling the statement that he was still a thief. At that time, also, the person, the storyteller, was the thief, okay, and when he met Anil, and though only 15, means here the Hari was 15 years old when he met to Anil, and he was at that age also a thief. I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. I was an experienced and fairly successful hand means he was a thief, okay, as in the first statement you got to know. And with a successful hand, fairly successful hand means, students, that he was very good in doing stealing or robbery, and he was experienced too. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. He was about 25, a tall, lean fellow, and he looked easygoing, kind, and simple enough for my purpose. So, in these lines, students, Anil was, when Hari met to Anil, at that time Anil was watching wrestling on his television, and what he predicted after watching him, after seeing Anil, that Anil was of 25-year-old, and he was tall and very much thin, and a simple person also. Simple person means he was so innocent, and for Hari it was very easy to rob him. Okay, so that is why he is saying that he is a very looked easygoing, means he can cheat Anil very nicely and very easily, because he was a kind enough, okay, and simple person. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. So in this line, students, he before meeting Anil, Hari was thinking that he can simply rob Anil because he was an innocent person. He was a simple person. As same, he is mentioning on the other hand that his luck was going bad nowadays. Okay, so that is why he thought that first he will achieve, or he will take the confidence of Anil first, and after that he'll rob him. Okay, so he want to get the confidence of Anil on him, and then afterwards he'll do his work of a fairly successful hand, or being a thief, whatsoever his work is. Okay, so after getting the confidence or belief or faith of Anil on him, he will cheat him. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends. So this is the statement of Hari. Uh, he is saying that you look a bit a wrestler yourself. This statement is a direct statement which is told by Hari to Anil when he was watching wrestling, that Anil, you also look like a wrestler too. Okay, so he is flattery. He is just telling lie because Anil was a thin, tall person, so he doesn't look like a wrestler. Okay, then also Hari is saying for for achieving his confidence and for attracting him towards his behavior. Okay, so he just flirt to Anil because according to him, flirt helps in making friendships. Okay, so he just flirt, he just tell lie, or he just he just do buttering to Anil for being a friend of Anil. Okay, so students, here one more thing I would like to tell you, that if these statements come in your exam, how it will become, it will come like referent to content. Okay, so each line you have to read it very nicely, that which line is said by whom. Okay, so learn each line, not learn each line, but keenly read every line, so that you will be able to answer the questions asked in reference to content. Each question of reference to content which come in your exam, it is of 4 marks, 3 to 4 marks. Okay, and the chapter's name, the writer's name, same with the poetry is also, the poem name, the poet name, you should know, and somehow somewhere you should know the meaning of the words also, and who said what said, to whom it is, the statement is said. These all things should be clear to you. So I hope you have understood, and carefully read the chapters after. So when he but Anil about his appearance, that he looks like a wrestler. Then what Anil replied? So do you, he replied, which uh, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. Okay, so what Anil replied to Hari, that so do you means the same, as Anil looks like a wrestler, so Hari also looks like wrestler. He repeated the same thing to to Hari also. Anil repeated the same thing to Hari. Okay, so which put me off, here this statement which put me off is said by Hari. Okay, that after the reply of Anil, he just become without any word. He was speechless. He became speechless after listening the same, because at that moment of 15 years old, he was very thin. A single talent, a single quality was not there in Hari at that moment to be known as a wrestler. Okay, so that is why he became speechless. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. So he just ignored, and after a minute, after a second, he just replied, well, uh, he replied in a very smooth and soft manner with a good smile, with an attractive smile. He replied, yes, I used to do wrestling somehow a bit. What's your name? So Anil asked the name of the person to whom he was talking. So he replied, Hari Singh. He lied. He tell his fake name to Anil that his name is Hari Singh. I took a new name every month that kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. So Hari is accepting this, that he used to change his name every month, because whenever he over with his job, he changes his place with the change of name too, and it also helps him to be away from police. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting, and throwing each other about. I don't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. So, in this para, students, he is explaining the situation at the moment when he met to Anil. Hari met to Anil. Okay, so he's saying that after when he has switched off the TV, and then he moved, then he walked away. Anil walked away, and he was just talking about the wrestlers only, that how they used to oil their body and how they used to fight and lift and throw each other. Okay, so all the strokes were explained by Anil at that moment. And Hari was not knowing much about wrestling, but then also he was listening quietly and just making him satisfy by saying yeah or yes. Okay, so Anil walked away, and when Anil was moving, and after him, Hari was following him very casually. Hello again, he said, and again he said, yeah, hello. I gave him my post appealing smile. I want to work for you, I said. Then, after excusing Anil, Hari said that he needs work in his house. Then, what Anil says that, but I can't pay you. Anil says that he is not having enough money to pay Hari. Okay, so I thought, I here is Hari. I thought that over a minute, Hari here, and Hari think about that what now he should say, or what now he should do to be with Anil. Means here Hari wants to live with Anil with any excuse. He just need any excuse to live with Anil. Okay, so he is just thinking about any reason to live with Anil. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. He is thinking that I have misjudged my man. My man. Why Hari is saying my man, because he has chosen the person for doing robbery. Okay, that is why, according to Hari, he is a hunt of Hari. Anil is the hunt of Hari. So that is why he just saying my man, and he's thinking that he has misjudged Anil. I asked, can you feed me? Then he take out the another reason, that if he can't pay Hari, means Anil can't pay Hari, then he must can give food to him to live. Okay, so what happened? He say again, Anil replied that, can you cook? Then he says, yes, I can cook. I lied again, means again he do lie, again he tell Anil a wrong thing, that he can cook. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. Then Anil say that if you can cook, then if he Hari can make food or cook food for Anil, then he can obviously feed him. So in the next para, he took me to his room over the Jamna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be off. But I just hung around smiling in most appealing way and he couldn't help laughing. So in this paragraph, students, what happened when Anil got to know that Hari can cook, he gave work or he gave job to Hari. Anil gave job to Hari that he can work for him, he can cook food for him. So he has taken him to his room that was above, that was over the Jamuna sweet shop. Okay, and he asked Hari to sleep in balcony. So when at that night Hari cooked food for Anil, then what happened? It was very terrible. But Anil doesn't told about this to Hari that the food is not good or anything else. He has just quietly given the food to the stray dog, and he tell Anil to move from his house because to be he the mean he just want to say that he can switch off from his job because he it was not good. So he understand, Anil understand it, that the food must be not good, that is why Anil is saying this. But after all, after this instruction also, Anil didn't go back and he just hang around with Anil. Hari didn't go back and he just hang around Anil with this smiling appeal, mean with the soft nature. He just want to butter Anil for being with him. Okay, so Anil was also a person of soft nature, so he couldn't able to ignore Hari and he laughed at his smile. Okay, which was very attractive. Later, he patted me on the head and said, "Never mind, he had teach me to cook." He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. I was grateful. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. So in this paragraph, students, you will get to know that what things Anil has done for Hari. Okay, so firstly he patted the shoulders of Anil that okay fine, if he is not knowing how to cook, then Anil will teach him that how to cook. Okay, so Anil taught him to cook. Anil taught him how to write his name, and he soon started teaching different things to Hari and write the whole sentence. Again, he then after teaching one word or how to write any word, he was going to teach him some sentences, that how he should able to write some sentences by his own. Okay, so man, there would be no limit to what so he was very grateful to Anil because he was knowing that if he will be able to write a sentence, then could he could write like an educated man he will be, and then there will be no limit to achieve anything. Okay, so this was known by Hari, and he was very grateful to Anil. In the next para, it was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about a rupee a day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. So in this paragraph, students, Hari has told about his day-to-day routine, that what he do in the whole day. That in morning he used to he used to make tea for Anil, and then afterwards has he used to go to market for purchasing supplies or the vegetables for Anil or for cooking for Anil, usually making a profit. And what happened and what he do with that shopping, when he used to get money and he go to shop for Anil, he used to take one rupee from that amount, okay, whatsoever amount is left. I think he knew, and he was knowing here. Hari was knowing that this activity was known by Anil. Okay, he is having a doubt that Anil must be knowing about his activity, that he is stealing one rupees or taking one rupees from that amount what he has given him for taking vegetables or purchasing vegetables. Anil made money by fits and starts. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. So in this paragraph, students, you will get to know that what Anil used to do. In the previous one, you in previous two paragraphs, you got to know that how was Hari and what work he was doing in Anil's house. Okay, and in this paragraph, you'll get to know about Anil, that what he used to do. Anil made money by fits and starts. Anil was making his money by different manner. Somehow he used to get amount, and someday he doesn't used to get amount or of what he was doing. Okay, so Anil was not earning the amount on the regular basis, and he used to borrow 1 week. Means he used to take money on interest, you can say, or borrow money from someone, and after a week he used to return that money. And he kept Anil used to worry about the amount or the check what he has going to get from his writings. So, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. Here means whenever he got his earning, he used to spend it on his friends and do parties with his friends. It seems to write for magazines. Means what Hari was noticing in Anil, that what he used to do work, that he used to write for magazines, and what the check amount he get from writing that magazines, that amount was spent on his friends. Okay, so such type of life he was living, and this was a queer way to make a living. Okay, so according to Hari, it was a queer way. Queer here means a strange way of earning living. Okay, so in the next paragraph, one evening he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. So, in this paragraph, one evening, what happened, that when Anil come at home in evening, he was having a bundle of notes of rupees, and he said that he has published his magazine today. He has sold his book and to a publisher, so he has got this amount. Okay, so what Hari has seen, that Anil has kept that bundle of notes under his mattresses. Okay, so in the next para, I had been working for Anil for at almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had had not done anything in my line of work. Means here, Hari is clarifying that instead of cheating while doing shopping, he has not cheated Anil anywhere else. He was doing his work honestly at Anil's home. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to to the door, and I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. So from this line, we should get to know, or we get to know that Hari was not cheating Anil fully. He was just cheating by taking 1 rupee from his shoppings, what he used to do for Anil. As a rent also you can say, because he was not getting any salary or wages from Anil. That is why for his personal uh, expenses he used to take one rupees. Okay, so and he was knowing that Anil is knowing this thing what he was doing with Anil. So he has got many chances to cheat Anil or to rob Anil, but he has not done those things for a bit also. um, could come and go as I pleased, as he can do. But he was the most trusting person I had ever met. Means here Anil was a person who used to trust on anyone blindly. Okay, so it was very difficult to cheat such type of innocent person or the simple person. Because of this, for Hari it was being difficult to cheat Anil. Okay, so and that is why it was so difficult to rob him. It's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed, but it's difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. Means students, you must have seen in some movies that how robbers used to rob. They are having one trick, uh, and by that trick only they used to rob. Or you must have seen some criminals in movies that they are having some rules for doing their crime. Like that only Anil was also sorry, Hari was also having some rules. So Anil was so simple that he was not able to rob him. According to Hari, it is easy to rob a greedy person. It is easy to rob a person who is just greedy for anything. He needs everything, and at a low price. Okay, without spending anything. So it is easy to rob that type of person, because if he robs such type of person, he will be in tension for that. Okay, and if he will rob, sometimes he doesn't even notice. And if he rob a simple person, greedy man, because he can afford to be robbed. Means if he rob to a greedy man, he will afford means he will be having the capability to afford that loss. Okay, he will be able to face that thing. But the people like Anil, who are simple, it is very difficult to cheat them. Or to the careless person it is very difficult to cheat them, because if we talk about the careless ones, they are not knowing they are being robbed by anyone. They just leave the things like that only. So in such type of person was Anil. Okay, so well, it's time I did some real work. I told myself I am out of practice, and if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. So he was having one feeling in his mind that if he doesn't, he did some real work. Means he is doing some real work, he is doing some good work, and he is just telling to himself, he is just making satisfied to himself, I am out of practice. Means he is being out of practice, means he is from 1 month he is doing the same work, honest work, and he is being out of practice, means he is not robbing anyone. So because of that he can lose his quality of robbing. Okay, so that is why he is saying that he is being out of practice. And if he doesn't rob Anil just because of his behavior or kindness, then also what is the Anil's matter that he used to spend that money on his friends in parties, not on the which was not liked by Hari, and just because of this he is saying he used to do unusual uh, expenses, or see, he used to spend useless spent on useless things. Okay, so just because of this he is saying, and he also doesn't pay him, so he is making satisfied कि if he cheat him for somehow, so it is justified because Anil doesn't used to pay him, and moreover what he do with his money, he used to spend on his friends, so I will take, so it will be used somewhere. So like this, Hari has satisfied himself for doing a robbery. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. I sat up on the floor, considering the situation. If I took the money, ten, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Slipping, Sleeping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. So here what happened, as Anil have got money from his writings by publishing his magazine. Okay, when he has sold his writings to the publisher, he has got some amount, and that amount he has kept under his mattresses. So in this paragraph, Anil is sleeping on his bed, and at that time Hari is thinking to rob him. Why? Because on the next day what Anil will do with that money, that he will just spend that money on his friends only. Just because of this he is thinking that that money he will take. Okay, so Anil was sleeping at the night, and a beam of moonlight, a ray of moonlight was stepping over the balcony, coming from the balcony on and fell falling on the bed of the Anil, on his face, you can say. And he was Hari was just sat up on the floor. He was just sitting on the floor and considering the situation, just he's considering and realizing the situation and thinking about what he will do in next hours. Okay, so if I took, he's just planning for the next hours. If he took the money, and after taking the money he will catch the Lucknow Express, which is used to arrive at the station at 10:30, and he will just take the money and he'll leave for Lucknow. At night what he has done, he just slept out from his blanket and crept, and just slowly he just crept means moving slowly, as the insects move, small insect reptiles move. So he just crept on the bed of Anil, and Anil was sleeping very peacefully without any tension. His face was very much shining, it was very much clear, it was without any scar, without any mark on his face. He was looking very good. At that way, he just compared the Anil's face with his face, that at that 15 age only he was having many scars on his face, just because of getting hurted. Okay, and Anil's face was very clear. And then in the next para, my hand slid under the mattresses searching for the notes. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. Then what happened? Hari has taken the money from the mattresses where he has kept under the the bunch of notes were kept under the mattresses, and he has just taken those notes after searching from under the mattresses, slid under the mattresses, and when he found them, he drew out from without any sound. He just slowly moved from there also there only, and Anil was sleeping um, very nicely. Okay, so he just slid from there and moved out. At that moment only, Anil has taken the another side of his sleep, and at that moment Hari was little bit excited, you can say, and become very feared from Anil. Okay, so when I was on the road, when he was on the road, I began to run. He began here means when he has left the Anil's house, and he has gone on the road. At that moment, he began to run. He ran very fast, and he had the notes at my waist. Means in the belt, under the belt, he has kept that note, string, not belt. He has worn the pajamas. So under the in the inside the string, he has a string of his pajamas. He has kept that bundle of notes. Okay, and I slowed down to a walk and counted the notes, and it was how much? 600 rupees in 50s, means 50 of notes he was having. Total it was 600. Okay, so after running after a mile, he has moved slowly and started counting the amount what and how much was there. I could live like an oil rich Arab for a week or a two. So he is thinking that from this 600 rupees, he can live a happy life, a luxurious life for a week or for a 2 week. Okay, so in the next para, when I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. So in this line, you got to know that Hari never used to take a ticket for the train, and he's telling also that he had never bought a ticket in his life. Okay, so Anil has never purchased a ticket for traveling from here and there. He just used to travel in free only, but dashed aside to the platform. So he moved to the platform only without taking the ticket. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train had still to pick up speed, and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages. But I hesitated for some reason I can't explain, and I lost the chance to get away. So what happened? He has not as he was on the platform, the train was starting to move, and he can take the train while running, but he just left that train. He also doesn't know that why he didn't take the jump and sat in the carriage, but he hesitated because he was having some doubt on it, and for some reason I can't explain. He was also not knowing that why he didn't able to go or take the carriage of the train. And he lost the chance of getting away, and he loses his chance for catching the train, and he has just left that train. He didn't able to move from there that platform. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. When the Lucknow Express has moved on, and what he has seen around him, that he was alone on the platform, and I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. Okay, so when he has left that train on the platform, he was alone. Okay, and he was not having any idea that that night where he should spend in. Okay, it's because he was not having any friend, also because he was having a belief. He think like that if friend is there, then he used to trouble, not friends. Means he was having a belief that friends are there for troubling anyone, not to help anyone. Okay, that is why he has never made any friend. And I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. So he also don't want to make anyone curious, make anyone worried that why this person is staying here. Okay, so that is why he is not uh, going in the hotels also, because people will try to know that why and from where he has come, and how much, why this much money, and anything people used to think. So he doesn't want to make the people try the people to think about him. That is why he doesn't want to go to hotels also. Okay, so the only person he knew really well was the man I had robbed. So he was knowing at the station the only person, that was Anil only. Okay, to whom he has just robbed. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. So, after leaving the station, he moved to the bazaar side. And in my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. The greedy man showed fear, the rich man showed anger, the poor man showed acceptance. But I knew that Anil's face, when he discovered the theft, would show only the touch of a sadness, not for the loss of money but for the loss of trust. So here, students, in this paragraph, Hari is thinking um about the feedback of this robbery, that he after doing, or after having a lot of experience of being a thief, he is having a capability to read the person's mind, that what the person will do next, or what he is having the capability to read or to study anyone's face. Okay, so he is knowing if he will rob any greedy person, he will show fear for the money. Okay, that he has lost the money. If he will rob to a rich person, then rich person will show anger to him. And if he will rob a poor person, he will show acceptance for that. As you know, poor people believe on God, that they will having the acceptance that it was just written in his or her destiny. That is why this happens. So poor people used to show acceptance on that activity. But he is thinking about Anil, that what activity, or what will happen with Anil, and how he will react by this robbery. So he discovered that Anil face, when he discovered the thief, means, and when Anil will know about the thief, that the amount or the bundle of notes have been robbed by Hari only, then what will happen? So he will become very sad, and he show only sadness from his face. But that sadness will not for the money, but it will be for the loss of trust, what the Hari has broke up. So I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on a bench. So after, when he was coming from the platform, by walking, he was arrived to a Maidan, a ground, where he sat on a bench. Uh, the night was chilly. It was early November, and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. So it was the time of November, and it was a little bit cold over there, and it was raining quietly. The drizzle added my discomfort. So it was lightning over there. Okay, and soon after it was raining quite heavily, and my shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin, and just because of being wet in the rain, the total dress whatsoever, pajama kurta he has worn up, that was become wet, and he has kept that bunch of amount in his string of pajama, so it was also became wet. He went back to the bazaar and sat down in the of the clock tower. When he gone back after, like, it was started raining, so he has moved back to the shelter of the clock tower. Okay, the clock showed midnight. I felt for the notes, and that moment he felt for the notes, that they also have been gone wet. Okay, so they were damp from the rain. Anil's money. In the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. But now I had it all. I couldn't cook his meals, run to the bazaar, or learn to write the whole sentence anymore. At that moment, when he was there at the clock tower, he think about Anil, that Anil used to give in every morning 1 or 3 rupees to see movies. Okay, so this also he will not again going to be get from Anil or anyone. Okay, and now he will not be able to cook for Anil the meals, and not also he will be able to go to bazaar and do the purchasings for Anil, and Anil will also not teach to him now how to write the whole sentences anymore. Okay, so all these things now Hari is missing of Anil. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. The whole sentence I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. I was a simple matter. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as a simple to be caught. Still, and sometimes it just as simple to be caught, but to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. I should go back to Anil, I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. So in the excitement of the robbery, or in the excitement of doing the theft of that much amount, he has forgotten all those things, that what are the earnings he was getting at the Anil's house. He will not be able to purchase for Anil, he will not be able to cook for Anil, he will not be able to uh, learn how to write a sentence. If he will be able to know how to write a sentence or anything, someday this practical thing he was knowing, that sometimes just as a simple to be caught, but to be a really big man means, for being a big man, one day what will happen, that like this only he will steal, then one day he will be caught by police. He was knowing this also, and he was knowing another thing also, that if he will study or educated, or if he'll got the knowledge how to read and write, then what will happen, that then one day surely he will do hard work, and he will become a good person. He will be really become a big man, and a clever and a respected man was something else. I should go back to Anil. Then he decided to move back to Anil, and he told to himself that he will learn how to read and write. I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway. In clouded moonlight. Anil was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute, and then my hand found the edge of the mattresses and slipped under it with notes. So, in this paragraph, students, Anil has gone back to Hari has gone back to Anil's home, and he was feeling very nervous because for him it is very difficult to rob anyone, and it is very difficult to uh, keep that note again at that place only. So he just opened the door very quietly and stood on the doorway for some minute, and it was the clouded moonlight. Clouded moonlight means half moon was looking from the clouds. Anil was still asleep. Anil was still sleeping, and he just crept to his head of the bed. Means slowly he moved towards the bed of Anil, and he just take out his hand in which from his string of pajamas, and take out the money from there, and kept that money under the hand where under the mattresses where he has kept his hand. I remained still for a minute, and there only he was still for the minute. He was standing there only and watching to Anil. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. Then he kept the notes after that, after watching and after noticing Anil. I woke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. In the next morning, Anil was late to awake, and what he has noticed when he awakened, that Anil was already Hari awoke late in the next morning, and what he found after awakening, that Anil had already made the tea for Hari. He stretched out his hand towards me. He stretched out means he just taken out his hand towards Hari, and he was giving 50 rupee to uh, Anil was giving 50 rupees to Hari in between his fingers. My heart sank. His heart stopped. My hair is the Hari that he was not imagined that Anil will give 50 rupees to Hari. So his heart becomes sank without any heartbeat for a second. I thought I had been discovered. At that time, when he just taken out the 50 rupee note, at that moment, point of movement or second, he was just sank with his heart, and he thought that Anil may have discovered that he has what he has done at the last night. But it was not like that. He has not discovered yet. I made some money under uh, I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. So Anil said that he has earned some money yesterday, some or more money yesterday. He explained to Hari and said that now you will get on the regular basis the salary. Okay. So now after this, Anil was giving a regular basis salary to Hari. My spirits rose, but when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. So his spirits, he was got motivated from this, and he just took the notes from the Anil's hand, and he realizes that the uh, note was a little bit wet yet also. Okay, so he got recognized that Anil must be knowing about the robbery what he has done last night. Today, we will start writing sentences. And after giving the 50 rupee note, Anil say to Hari that today they will start learning how to write a sentence. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without any effort. Okay, so without any effort, students, here it is written because previously he was putting his full effort to show Anil or to attract Anil towards his smile, to make her words. Okay, but now what happened, that Anil is after knowing that Hari has done the robbery, he is not reacting a little bit also, or also. So because of this, Hari got motivated and said to shown a smile, attractive smile to Anil. And he noticed one more thing, that neither from the lips nor from the eyes it was shown by Anil that Hari has done the robbery. So he showed this smile, and the smile came without any effort. So students, here we have completed the chapter. I hope you have understood. If any doubt is there, you can ask to me through the comment box. Some questions are there, you have to answer these questions and write in your copies. Okay, so thank you.